Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Master Dowser and Mind Body Wisdom expert. Here's another freaky video about something that I learned and I just didn't believe at all, but it's made a world of difference in my life. Now, you've probably heard of fallen angels if you've read the Bible, or I think all the holy books in different religions talk about angels and fallen angels and things like that, which are really just spirits who like to cause trouble for those of us on Earth. And maybe other planets too, who knows. But sometimes they'll just cling on to you and they can cause some real emotional damage, making you feel sad all the time, depressed, and just suck out your energy and just generally mess with you and make you so miserable that you don't even want to live anymore. Now, I've helped several people with these icky creatures, which I learned from another metaphysical teacher. He called them dark magicians and jinns, Jinns. And of course I hear this for the first time. I'm like, I don't believe that. I'm sure I don't have anything like that. Oh yes, I did. And I've been attacked several times in the last couple of years, and it's just a feeling like your energy's drained and you're sad and you're angry and you just might be exploding with rage and just basically not you. And if you are you and you've been like that, maybe you got those things going on. They're just horrible parasitic energies. So the first thing I would do, if you're like me and you didn't believe it, and I'm going to check right now, dowsing is a simple way to connect into your intuition to read energy for yourself, your family, your pets. Some people use it to find water and minerals and things, or lost things. It's so many things you could do with dowsing. It's the best gift I ever gave myself besides my gift to spirituality. So I use my hands as tools, which is called deviceless dowsing. And I put my hands apart and then I ask a question and put it together, allow my hands to come together, and they just sort of go vroom or vroom. Yes answer, no answer. It's sort of freaky in itself, but I love freaky, so it was a good thing. If you need to learn to douse, check out my book, please, Fearless Accurate Dowsing. It's all got information about healing and detecting all kinds of information and several different ways to douse, including a pendulum, which is really cool to use by spinning it counterclockwise, or you can use any necklace to clear things out, and then clockwise to spin in affirmations or positive energy, 100% life force, 100% bliss, things like that. So let's get back to the dark magicians and the jinns. There are dark magicians in my energy right now, in my house, in my property, in my neighbor's house, the one to the west of me, the one to the east of me. I'm not surprised. They've been having some tough times like a lot of people have. Do I have permission to clear out the neighbor's dark magicians? Can I know how many there are there? Over 10? There's exactly 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Are they infecting the dog too? He can be sort of mean at times. And the people living there? Okay. I'll show you how to do it with a pendulum. Just start spinning counterclockwise. And I call in Archangel Michael. And I wrap myself in protection. And I declare and decree that all dark magicians in the house next to mine, just to the east of mine, are now expunged, are now cleared, are now neutralized. Their energy is scrambled, their frequency is scrambled, and they are powerless. And Archangel Michael and his legions of protectors and merciful, kind, compassionate angels now take all these away. And now I'm asking that the source energy of goodness, grace, glory, love, well-being, kindness, tenderness, all flood this house next to mine and just make it glow with love and well-being for all the beings in there, human and animal and plant. And so it is. So then you can douse to find out for sure that you got everything, right? Any and all dark magicians in the house next to mine are now gone? Are there Jinns, Jinns, in that house? Is there anything else that would be beneficial for me to clear out of that house for my neighbors? Okay, well, Archangel Michael, as usual, probably did a clean sweep. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment if you liked it or you'd like to see something different. I'm so happy to make videos about just any topic that there is, whether it be healing body parts or conditions, ailments, things like that, or clearing energy. It's my pleasure to do these videos and share them with you. Thank you so much for watching. Check out my website, emorescue.com. Lots of more free stuff, videos, articles, ebooks, things like that to help you along your path. Blessings to you, because you are a treasure, and to your loved ones, especially your animal friends, because they could be taking on some non-beneficial energy as well. Namaste. Peace out. Take care of your sweet self. When you learn to dowse, the universal wisdom is yours for the asking. Please check out my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, and any of my self-healing books, all available and very affordable on Amazon. Thank you.